Whatever. What up, buddy?
Yeah.
What up, Luke? Morning. We're gonna go pick up a new car. You wanna tell them a little bit, Luke?
It's from Japan. That's about all we're gonna give you for right now.
I like it.
Let's go grab some food first. I'm gonna take you to one of our favorite spots. Before we go pick up a car, we gotta grub, so let's head on out.
You want me to drive or are you driving?
Wait. It's keyless.
Oh. That makes sense.
What's wrong? What could this car be? Any expectations for the day?
What the f?
Hey! What up, boo?
What are we eating?
Follow us.
All right. Lion Plaza is where all the Vietnamese food's at. We got pho, bum reel, bum away. Supermarket. Lots of Asians. Lots of bad drivers here.
Asian driver?
No survivor.
I can't say that. Hey, come on, do it. I give you permission.
It's probably the worst parking lot in San Jose because it's all Asians.
That's racist.
You can't say that.
Nah, I'm just playing. We gave him permission to say that because it's true.
Come on.
Luke fam, full effect. I wasn't expecting that one.
Natural habitat right now.
How's the Viet coffee, Luke fam?
Non-punk.
Ooh. Yoiwa?
Hey, that fucker hung.
Rate your meal.
I guess I want to teach first.
So you're saving that for later?
Yeah, I'm trying, I guess. It was so good. Solid 8.5.
8.5? All right. Andrew?
I like around 9 for me.
For me, I prefer 6. 6 inches. Damn, Andrew.
What's up, man?
You're hung, fool.
Greg better watch out.
All right, guys. Time to go pick up the whip.
Are you nervous about him driving your bike?
He's done it before.
Look how cute his little steps are.
They don't make smaller versions of this?
He's still at the ground. And he's off. Package from Street Hunter.
Number 4.
Oh, steering wheels? 44.
Shout out Dylan.
Yum.
69, there's Simon's.
This one's Simon's.
72.
Gabe's.
There's mine right there. 100.
Oh, there's mine!
Oh, let me help you, step bro. Let me help me, step bro. Oh, shit.
I got scared! Guys, huge shout out to Street Hunter. These were all of the wheels that I requested for all of the homies. Andrew, what number did you get?
I got 100. Yes, sir.
Welcome to my crib, guys. Right over here is my Skyline drift car. And right over here is my brand new pit bike.
Okay.
I learned how to do wheelies the other day. You want to see?
Yeah, show us. Show the vlog. You gotta show.
But I might drop my brand new pit bike.
But it's content.
Okay, okay. Okay.
2 bikes in 1 video? Spoiling us, Randy.
How many miles are we going?
25. Hold on. Hold on. Downshift. Guess how fast we're going now?
10 miles.
40 kilometers. Around 25.
It's screaming!
This thing's going nowhere. Let's catch up then. This thing gave it all it can give. Here it is, guys. Our new mini truck. Or, as the Japanese say, the K-truck. Here, let's go look for it. Drone! We lost the drone in the tree.
We? We're like,
Where is it, Boop? Get back fast. Wait. Wait, someone's walking. Huh?
is this tree?
Stuck in a tree.
I don't know if you can see it, guys, but
Find my drone.
Where is it? gotta put these bitches in sport mode. Hold on.
Wait, why don't we come from the top instead of the bottom?
Oh. I have so much mud in my car.
Here.
And it's cracked.
Hey, don't hurt yourself.
Here, hold on.
Dive down there in case it falls.
Oh, actually, that's a good idea.
I mean, I can go up here as well. Yeah.
Wait, can you get the drone to just take off?
I tried. This is really sketchy if we fall. That's like a
Please don't fall.
up, so. Oh, I see it. I see it.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah. And watch your head. Oh, you have to throw over, huh? Yeah, I'll get more. Alright.
Careful, please.
Come on, man. That was almost it.
Oh no. I thought that was it too. It's a really long stick, or like PCB, PCB,
Sound it out.
PCB type pipe.
Sound it out.
Hey, don't stand there!
There's a car coming.
They're throwing fat rocks!
Did you say I have a fat cock?
Yeah!
Thanks.
Throwing it!
Go! Oh shit, Andrew!
There you go. That was it.
Almost!
Oh shit.
Almost.
Oh my! Oh my!
That one was almost it.
So basically it's like right there somewhere, but you guys can't see right there.
What?
Whoa, that was so close.
Yeah, I missed though.
Success or non-success?
There goes $2,000.
Dude, hey! That's how much the K truck is worth! We got the K truck for 3, so... Ow!
We'll come back with like a long PVC pipe and a couple people on the ground. Just poke it off.
We're in the back of the K truck. Can't really say anything because I'm looking straight into the sun.
It's blinding.
But we're moving.
Hey, don't forget your seatbelt.
Oh shit! I'll strap you up.
Think people can see us?
Look at my hands.
Yeah, they definitely. I'm hanging above the top.
My hands are.
And they're looking down at us because this thing's not that tall. Ow!
This would have been a nice drone shot.
We're all just laying in the pen.
Really comfortable.
Oh God!
Mini truck test drive.
Oh my God!
Oh my god!
I did not think it was gonna work that well.
You're supposed to do it right here.
Randy, he was filming.
I scared myself!
I did not think it was gonna go
Did
that
I see
high.
that?
Oh! Oh my god! Oh.
What's that noise?
We're gonna go back so we don't get stuck with some Andrew. What? We're gonna head back because this thing's not running right now and Andrew has to leave.
It smells bad. Oh, shit! What was that?
Hey guys, we're turning the K truck today.
Sounds like it's misfiring. And it smells like gas too.
Oh my god, I feel like your gas is out.
This is not good, guys. We just bought this. And, yeah.
I don't think it likes doing stoppies.
Oh, yeah, I don't think so either.
Green.
Okay, it's going. I'm to the wall right now. It's not, look at my foot, bro. Zoom in on my feet. Oh, shoot, we're losing all power. No. First the drone, now this. Hold on, guys! We'll be home soon!
We shook something loose when it jumped.
Yeah, we must have. Oh my god, no, we're not even moving. I just paid for this. Oh, why did we do freaking stoppies?
First drive was not a success.
One more motor and put it here.
Yeah, there we go. We need that. Hey, now you can title this video K-Truck Reveal Gone Wrong or New Vehicle.
Oh my god.
Everything was going great until we lost the drone. Oh!
Oh shit. Alright, we're on. We're going. We're going. What up, neighbor? What are we doing, Boo?
So we're at Home Depot now because I flew my drone into the tree. So the plan is to get some PVC pipe and just fish out of the tree. Someone catches it on the bottom.
If one day I saw you guys lost a drone and break a car, that's like what, 6 grand so far? 6 grand lost?
And now 2 1-inch connectors.
See, we've got this. We put it, angle it around that one, and then angle it around the other tree, and then go backwards. That's stuff. Time to retrieve this drone. Oh! You think we got this?
No.
Look at the drop, guys. Careful, boys.
Give me 2 for now.
Yeah, what's that? You just keep going up, Boo, because I can hand it to you. Go to where do you want to go?
This is where it was last time.
Okay.
Careful. All right, you guys got this. We're gonna catch it, okay?
Hopefully I can catch the drone. I feel like it's more dangerous where I'm at.
I'm gonna try. There's no guarantees. There's no way I'm catching the drone.
Oh shit, it's falling, it's falling!
Oh! I got it! I got it! We did it, dude. We did it. Did that look real?
No. Oh shit, it's good! Oh my god! Dude. Oh wow.
The drone's okay. Hey. Oh my god. We got it.
You were useless.
We got the drone.
Mission accomplished, boys. And girl. Here it is, guys. Our brand new Suzuki Carry. This is a K-Truck from Japan. And this is our new shop car. Today was supposed to be a test drive day, but unfortunately, what happened?
Well, it was a test drive. We just broke it.
It could have been a few things. It could be something with the fuel pump from us doing the stoppies, or just something on the motor loosened up. We'll check on that later, but I want to give you guys a full walk around.
Want to show them what it looks like when you can take?
Yeah.
So cute when you can take this off.
Ready? Check this out, guys. On the K-Truck. Look at that.
Cute guys.
All 4 corners of the bed fold down, but you can undo the chains, and it goes down all the way. Did it just come off?
Yeah, hello, look at all those rest that just broke off of you, huh?
Check this out, guys. This is the Suzuki Carry. There you go. You like it, Bella? Oh,
Shit.
Like if you undo all the chains, you could drop everything down. What do you call this, dude?
What?
The bed?
It's a bed. This is a tailgate. This is the side gate. Just our gate.
Hey, we got this car for a really good deal, huh?
I think so. Did you tell them yet?
I didn't.
Yeah, he didn't check Facebook Market. He's like, oh, I could have sold it for more, but you guys drove all the way here. Just take it.
Yep. So these cars are going for around like anywhere from 5 to 8 grand. We actually got this K truck or mini truck, whatever you guys want to call it, for only $3,000. And check out how many miles is on this thing. This is 46,000 kilometers. Hey Siri, convert 46,000 kilometers to miles.
28,583.07 miles.
There it is, 28,000 miles. Freaking nuts. This thing is still a baby.
Check out this exhaust. It's tiny.
Let me show you guys where and how to pump your fuel in this truck. You ready? You come down here, twist this off, and there you go. That's literally the fuel tank right there. And to be honest, guys, my Skyline had a rusted fuel tank. Honestly, the stoppies and the rear end going up and just slamming onto the ground, I wouldn't be surprised if we knocked some rust off of the tank or we unplugged the fuel pump or something. But it should be a very easy fix. And we've got a new shop truck. And we have a lot planned for this, right?
What's your plan?
I don't know.
There's so many, I hear so many ideas, like drift car and off-roading vehicle and then slam. Like, what are you gonna do?
A little bit of everything. But honestly, one thing I want to do, a lot of you guys have been requesting for the roller paint job. What do you guys think? Should we do a roller paint job on the K truck? Let me know down in the comments below. Another thing that I really wanted to do is to have a sick livery on the mini truck as well. We're open to suggestions. Whatever you guys want to see us do, let us know down in the comments below. But it's so funny to see the size of this next to the Tundra.
Oh my god, the wheels off!
That's it. I hope you guys had fun with us today. We had a freaking blast. Even though today didn't go as planned, we literally wanted to drive the crap out of this and see what it's capable of. But it is an old car and there's a few things we need to fix. But our friend has a ranch and they've got dirt ramps and stuff. Look forward to some cool, fun videos with the homies.